Welcome to the Hyper Polyglot Activist. Learn languages, make a difference. My name is Dr. Carlos Lopez, and today I would like to provide you with a brief update on my polyglot journey, the Jewish turn. Now, some of you already know I just moved from New York City to London, and I have started a postdoc research fellowship at University College London at the Department of Hebrew and Jewish Studies. Now, this is an incredible opportunity because it allows me to focus exclusively on my Ladino research, while at the same time I can continue teaching Ladino at Oxford University and can benefit from the many resources that this Hebrew and Jewish Studies department offers, amongst which the possibility of learning new languages. So currently I'm taking a course on Yiddish here at UCL and another one at Oxford remotely, plus I'm learning modern Hebrew. So first things first, Yiddish. The book I'm using for the course that I'm taking here at UCL is Colloquial Yiddish, which I really recommend. It is a fairly comprehensive book, but it's also jargon-free, so it's very accessible. It begins obviously with the alphabet, and then it moves into everyday conversations, progressively more and more difficult and sophisticated. And I'm already learning a lot. The alphabet is similar to some extent to that of Ladino, but at the same time very different. So it takes a lot of practice. And the vocabulary, of course, in Yiddish is heavily influenced by German. So if you already know German, you're definitely much better prepared than if you didn't. And if on top of that, you're already familiar with the Hebrew alphabet, then that's even better. Now, the other class that I'm taking on Yiddish, I'm taking it at Oxford remotely with Professor Beruria. And there we use a different book. It's a book written by Zucker. I will link it in the description below. But I think that Colloquial Yiddish, as I said, is slightly better because it's more adapted to the 21st century, to real life situations. It's, as I said, jargon-free, and so it's easier to navigate, in my opinion. And then for Hebrew, I could have just taken a course, just the one I'm taking for Yiddish. But instead of that, because my current level is more than beginner, but less than pre-intermediate, I'm continuing to study Hebrew on my own with the help of this book, Hebrew in 10 Minutes. You might be already familiar with this collection of books, which is very interesting for the purpose of building up basic vocabulary and grammar. It's not going to be as comprehensive as Colloquial Yiddish is for Yiddish. This is somewhat more basic level. And then I'm supplementing the study of that book with classes on italki. And I'm just developing my fluency, my conversational skills. So I think that italki lessons are the perfect complement to this kind of book, Hebrew in 10 minutes. So hopefully within a couple of years, I will acquire some sort of fluency in both languages, which will be highly complementary to my expertise in Ladino. Let me know if you have any advice, if you have learned any of these languages and can share any resources. I will really appreciate it. And I'm really looking forward to keeping you updated on the Jewish turn in my polyglot journey. As always, thanks for watching.